Welcome to EpicPro. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to enter and edit a new vendor. To start, on the left panel, hover over Accounts Payable, then Master Tables, then select Vendor. To create your new vendor, press the New button. From here you will be directed to the Vendor Create screen. This is where you will complete all the text boxes that apply to your new vendor. Once this information is saved, you will be directed to a new tab where you will enter any additional information necessary. On this tab it is important to select Active as the status if you wish to see this vendor throughout the system. Otherwise, select Inactive, which will hide this vendor. The status can be changed at any time.
The second tab is where you will see all of the contact information for this vendor. Here, you can add an email address and phone numbers associated with this vendor. Once saved, you can head back to the search page where you will find your newly added vendor. The search bar can be used to find any information listed about a vendor. Also, all vendor information can be manipulated by simply pressing the Edit button. A running balance for every vendor is presented in the grid. You can also click the drop-down arrow, where you will see a list of all the associated invoices and their amounts. This was a video demonstrating how to add and edit a new vendor. Thank you for choosing EpicPro software.